Zatarain's crab boil, and crawfish boil, lemons, peppers, oranges, garlic. Yeah, let this stuff come to a boil. That's how we make them down there in New Orleans. They get that spice in there. Here we go with this zatarain.
I only want to pull about half of that one.
Yeah, you only put half a container of the zatarain.
That's the water right there.
Yeah, but that'll be that nice color.
That's the water right there.
Go ahead and put that minced garlic in there. The whole thing.
That flavor.
Like a sack and a half of crawfish. Cleaning them real good. Oh, y'all. Drop in your potatoes. Let them cook for 10 minutes. Then you're going to drop in your crawfish.
Ooh, that's that dirty water right there.
Woo! That's my son. Time to go in the water. Let's get this sucker in there. Ooh, to the bowl. Drop them suckers in there. Easy, y'all. Do it easy. And the water will be coming out the top now. Ooh. Get them suckers. Now put the lid back on and let them cook. 5 minutes. Time to cut them off, you guys. And we gotta let them cool down. Turn the fire down. They're gonna be good, you guys.